Good evening, everyone. It's James, the Wolf of Zurich. Thank you for being here tonight. Last time it was my first live stream, and the result was really good. Thank you for your support. I am also the head of Zurich chapter SAMT. SAMT is the Swiss Association of Market Technicians, which is a branch of IFTA, International Federation of Technical Analysts. And today I'm going to make a market brief and give you target estimations on the rise and on the decline of the different underlyings. Okay, so my technique is based on PRZ, potential reversal zones, Ichimoku and Wolf waves. Okay, that's why my surname is the Wolf of Zurich. So before we start, please read the disclaimer about the methods, techniques, graph analysis, or results presented in this blog are for a full educational purpose only, etc. Okay, this is not an advice, it's just information. So we are going to start now with, I give you again a few seconds to read. So as you know, the SEC is going to give his advice. They are going to say if they want or they don't want this ETF for the Bitcoin. So everybody is waiting for this news on Wednesday. Before Wednesday, then it could be this night, tomorrow, after tomorrow. So stay tuned. It's very important. It's a very important news, and it could be a game changer. So now we are going to start with the rates. I remove this. So as you can see on the TVC US 10 years, we have this bearish canal here. We can have a breakout. We did like a ping pong like this, bing, 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 and bing. We can have a breakout here, and we can reach the EMA 50 and EMA 200 around 4.620. The ROC, the rate of change, it gives you the speed of the momentum of an asset. Okay, it's very important. Is on the good side, it's on the positive side. Okay, so we can go upper around this level. Then now let's see the 10-year. 10-year, on the 10-year, I gave few weeks ago this fantastic harmonic pattern, black swan, and then as you can see, we had also a wolf wave, and we had a breakout here. And when you have a breakout here, you break the line 1-3 with 5 breaks, 1-3. Then we enter after this candle. This is the candle signal, that one. Then you enter here and look what the market did. Okay, it was just fantastic. Now we can reach, for example, the EMA 50 around 4.17. Okay, perfect. Let's see now what happened with the VIX, the volatility VIX SP 500. It's just fantastic. I love this shark. The shark is just fantastic, as I told you. I detected last time a butterfly, and as you can see what happened after few days. So here we have exactly, not exactly, but we have the same situation. It means that for me here we are, it sells, you know, when the market is very, very low like this, it just sells. That it's a huge opportunity to buy the volatility, you know. When the people is euphoric, you must be scared, as said Warren Buffett. And when the people are scared, it's a huge opportunity for you. So it's just mindset. Remember this, it's very important. So I said that we can reach the EMA 50. We did it 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, and I gave this level, and we did it also. So the future target can be the EMA 200 around 1624. Okay, and after that 20 can be a very good level. It's not complicated to go there. I think we can go to 20. The ROC is negative, but we can go upper for sure. Now, Germany DAX, DAX 40. As you can see, I did a special, I drew a special trend line like this, and I said goodbye, 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 and goodbye, do svidania, arrivederci, auf Wiedersehen, etc. We had an engulfing bearish here candle, okay, which is negative. So after the breakout here, we can have this correction until 16,250 is the first target, and even it converge perfectly with the EMA 50. And after that, the lower we can go, for example, to 15,700. Okay, plus as you can see here, we have the ROC who was flat, who did a double top, and the market was bullish, very bullish. Okay, and as you can see, we had a breakout here, and we can go even lower. If the ROC go even lower, we will have a breakout for sure. Now let's see Dow Jones. What about Dow Jones? Dow Jones was, we had an N star on the Dow Jones. It's still valid. We have a breakout of this canal. Okay, it can be even a wedge like this. We can draw maybe this here. Look, and the market is tired here. They don't want to go upper. Then we have a breakout, and the market goes down. We can reach this level, the EMA 50, around 36,117, and then the lowest can be 34,645. Okay, and as you can see, we still have this amazing divergence with the ROC, the rate of change, and the market. It's very important. So don't forget that we can go lower. Otherwise, the highest I mentioned here could be this 38,000. We did it or not? Not yet, but it's possible on a retracement Fibonacci. Next slide. Next slide is CAC 40, France. So I mentioned next week then we can reach the EMA 50, and we did it. Just fantastic. It's just technical analysis. It's not me. I'm not a predicator. And now we can reach also this EMA 200 around 7,198. Okay. Otherwise, we can make a retracement 50% Fibonacci around this level. I'm going to draw with you from here to here, and then we can reach the 7,503. So be attentive. Now we go on the SP 500. SP 500, we are in this ascending wedge, okay, and we have also an N star, so we can go lower. We had a breakout of this line, okay, then the market can go down to 4,640, for example, and the next level will be 4,591. Okay, don't forget that we have this amazing and big support on the S&P 500, which is between, for example, this level, because we opened here directly, we did a gap, a jump from here to there. So we can have this, and we can reach this level, which is a very big support around 460 and 4,400. Okay, so focus on this. We still have our amazing divergence with the market and the ROC, the rate of change. So now we change and we go on the Nasdaq. Basically, we should have approximately the same configuration. So as you can see, we had a breakout the 2nd of January. We can reach now the EMA 50 around 16,053, and even here the lowest can be 14,913. We still have the fantastic divergence with the ROC. So now we go on the Nikkei. Nikkei, as you can see, we can have two different scenario script. Okay, the first one was a butterfly. Okay, and the butterfly basically should be around 14,200, and upper can be, for example, let's say 35,300. Okay, if we go upper, but this configuration gives me here a bat, and the bat, and with this bat we can reach first the EMA 200 around 31,502, and otherwise around 3,600. Let's say yes, 600, even 500. Now RSC is neutral. We'll see what happens if we have a breakout and we go lower on the RSC, the rate of change. Then the market is going to collapse and to go lower. Now I change and I go on another slide. Oil, WTI oil, just fantastic. Look, I detected, the Wolf of Zurich detected a butterfly, fantastic butterfly. As you can see, we had here a rebound, perfect divergence with ROC, okay, an amazing rebound here, and then we did a false touch of the EMA, let's say that, and after that we tried to reach the EMA 50 around 75.41. The next level will be 78.44. Okay, and the RSC, as you can see, start to go in the positive territory. Okay, it's very important to know that. So be careful. For me, if I can speak frankly with you, when the market was, for example, at this level, guys, listen, it's just mindset. $68, it's nothing, it sells. Then when you have this kind of opportunity, you must buy and enter in the market. Simply. Plus, it's winter and the temperature is going to go down. Then people, they need this. Okay. Then now I continue with the gas, because gas and oil are close bounded. We have a gap here at this level, 3.5350, and another gap around 4.39. Okay. But the most important is this fantastic net star. And as you can see, we did it perfectly. We reached perfectly, as I told you last week, the AMA 50. And then now we can reach the 200 around 3.0606. So don't forget that when the market collapses and it's opportunity to enter in the market, you can have this simple strategy. You can just buy options. Then you can be long call, 3 months expiry. Okay, it's very important, and you choose a strike, not too far, not too close, because it's too expensive. I will explain you on another video next time on my channel how to spot and how to take the right position on the options. So as you can see, ROC is on the positive territory. It's fantastic, and look, it's bullish, and we can go there. Otherwise, we can have here, let's see, for example, with Ichimoku, what they say. Voila, Ichimoku tells me we can even go there. Yes, on this flat, otherwise on this flat. Or you can reach this level, because here it will be a resistance. The cloud is a resistance, okay? And if we break this Senku span A, we can go even further. Now, let's go on the other slide. The dollar. The dollar is just fantastic, because I detected a few weeks ago this. I'm going to show you. I remove this, otherwise it's Beaubourg. Beaubourg in France. Maybe some people knows what it is. Okay, so I go, for example, weekly. It's important when you go on the charts and when you want to trade to have a global view of the market. Then you start with weekly, okay? Excuse me, like this, weekly, daily, even sometimes when you have too much data on the graph, you can start with monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, 14 minutes. It's very important. So as you can see, the Nen star was just fantastic, and we reached the EMA 200. Now we can reach the EMA 50 around 103.72. Okay. Otherwise, with this fantastic, also we have an ABC pattern, and we can reach this level around 109. Let's see the RSI. Where is the RSI? We are actually here on weekly. Let's see daily. Where is look, the RSI is positive. Then if we go upper, we can go there. Plus you have this fantastic divergence here with RSI and the market. Market can go upper. So be careful. On the rise, we can go around this level and even that one. Next one, Euro USD. So of course the opposite. So on Euro USD, we have here a Gartley plus an ascending triangle. You can see it. So we start with the ascending triangle, and as you can see, excuse me, maybe you don't see me. Doesn't matter. Oh, sorry. What the? I hope you saw everything or not. I'm going to see here. Yes, I saw you something. Maybe you didn't see because of this. I'm very sorry. I'm going to start again. Okay, I finish this and I start again. Okay, we have an ascending here triangle. So we can reach this level, which is 116. Okay, but before we can reach this level, 112, because we have a Gartley here. Okay, but my TP for me is around 1.14. I go back here on the dollar. I go on the dollar quickly and I show you here. So as I said, the Nen star was just fantastic. Now we have an ABC pattern and we can reach this level, 109. We can go also with this butterfly here around 90, let's say 94.80. It's possible. But first, I think we are going to reach this level around 103.72. This is weekly. Daily, we have this. So we can reach this level, this EMA 200, and the maximum for me can be this level. Yes, 109, still the same. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Okay, I do again the oil. Okay, about the oil, I detected a few months ago, not few months, but a few days ago, a butterfly, which was just fantastic. As you can see, some people, for example, they will say, James, it's not a butterfly, it's a bat. You can have a bat here, of course, here, bang, 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 and here. But the bat is going to give you, for example, a PRZ around this zone, okay, around 0.888, okay, which is not so good. So the butterfly was just perfect. We did a rebound. We had the perfect divergence again with the RSI, the rate of change, and with the market. The targets here are the EMA 50 and the EMA 200, 75, 78. Don't forget that it's sales because it's winter, so it's time to buy, even with options, long call. Here we had the perfect Nen star, as I told you, and we have the perfect rebound. We reached the EMA 50, and then the second target can be the EMA 200 around 3.069, and this gap around 353.50. I go on the Nikkei now. I do it again because I want the picture on the graph and it was not possible for you to see. Two different scenarios on the Nikkei. We can have this butterfly. The butterfly, the first level is here. It's around 40,245, 30, 30, 34, 235, let's say 250. Okay, but we have a bat after that, and this bat is varied. Then we can go to this EMA 200 around 31,500, and we can go after that and reach this level around, let's say 30,600, 500. Okay, Nasdaq, we had a breakout on this ascending wedge. We have a breakout here. Plus, we have divergence with RSI and the market. The EMA 50 is a target, then 16,053, and we have the EMA 200 around 14,913. SP 500, we still have this amazing and big support here and gap. Then first, we have a breakout of this wedge, okay, and we can go lower to, for example, let's say 400, 640, and after that we can reach the EMA 50 around 4,591, and then this support. Okay, don't forget that the support is between 4,400 and 4,460. Okay, then CAC 40 did exactly what I said last week. Then we were here and we reached perfectly the EMA 50. Now we can reach this level around 7,200, for example. Otherwise, we can go upper around the 7,500. Dow Jones, we had a breakout of this line. It's very important. The star is still valid. Then we can go to 36,117. Otherwise, we can reach the EMA 200 around 34,645. We still have the divergence with the RSI and the market, so it's very good for us to go lower. On the rise, we can reach this level, 38,000. Germany, as you can see, had the perfect look. I draw this. Goodbye here. Das vidania. Arrivederci, etc. We have a bearish engulfing here. Plus, we have a breakout. The market goes there. For me, the first target can be 16,250, and it's a very good convergence. It's a very good. It converges perfectly with the EMA 50 and this gap. So we had strong probabilities to go there. Okay, and the next level could be, for example, this EMA 200 around 5,710, for example. Let's say that. Okay, now we go on the VIX. The VIX is just fantastic. As I told you before, I detected a butterfly, and look what happened. The VIX really deserves his name. It's volatility, and the volatility can surprise you all the time. Okay, so we have a shark. The shark is still valid. The stop loss is around 1079, and we reached the first level around 1422. Okay, and the second one can be 1624. About the rates, the bonds here, as you can see, we had a fantastic, and I detected a fantastic black swan long time ago. So we did it perfectly. Plus we had a wolf wave. Line 1-3 was broken here. So we had this fantastic bearish movement. Okay. EMA here. The EMAs here are around 4.62. Okay, on the bonds 2 years. Then we can reach this level first. Okay, but we have also this pattern, ABC pattern, and we can go upper if the news are not so good, inflation, etc. Now I go back to our Euro USD again. So we were here with ascending triangle. TP can be, for example, 1.15. Otherwise, we can reach 112, 190. Yes, yes. Now we go on Euro CHF Swiss. So as you can see here, we have a shark plus we have a wolf wave. Okay, the wolf wave here is just amazing. Number 2 is here. Number 1 is here. Number 3 and number 5. 5 breaks line 1 3. Okay, as you can see here. Then you enter long on this candle, not on this candle, on that one, but at the closing of this candle, then you enter now. Okay, on this candle. And the market should go up, and on the rise we can go to 0.94724. Otherwise we can go to this EMA 200 around 0.96248. USD GPY, fantastic. Look, I did a publication about this. Okay, so we had this trend line, and I said if we had the breakout of this trend line, we go upper. Plus we have the divergence with the market. We had the RSC, rate of change, which gives you the speed of the underlying. Okay, the speed of the momentum of the underlying, and then we can reach this level. And as you can see, it was a zone short, and this zone is also a zone short because the BOJ, the Bank of Japan, reacts at this level because it's not good for them and for their economy. Okay, but plus I detected here a potential A, B, C, D pattern, and we can go maybe in the future at this level, let's say 155. Okay, but here we had the perfect target just here. We can go again to, for example, this level, let's say 147 and a half to 149. This is a potential target. Here, what I detected here, here I detected this. We have a bat, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. So the market can go lower and after that upper. And we can reach, for example, 50% Fibonacci of this fall. Here we did it already. Look, we did it already perfectly. Then maybe we can go lower and did a rebound. Let's say that it's already good. For example, now let's go on the New Zealand dollar. We have many things on it, but the first thing we have is this ascending triangle, and this triangle can go to, let's say, 0.69. Tesla now. Tesla, as you can see, you had many butterflies. Okay, I'm going to zoom this zone. It's very important. Okay, we have a butterfly. We had one first. It was fantastic. I gave it last time. And now we have a divergence with the RSC, the rate of change, and the market. So the market collapsed and touched the EMA 50 and the EMA 200. We can reach this level again, 208, for example, 200. Yes, 208, and we can have a rebound. Otherwise, we can also have again a rebound on this zone around 200, and then we can reach these gaps. We still have a gap here, as you can see. So please don't forget this level. Okay, and we still have again our juice in the market. Now we go on Apple. Apple, I gave Apple, we have a N star. The N star was still valid, and then the market collapsed. We did exactly in the perfect level I gave on the French TV. And then we can reach again this EMA 200 around, let's say, around 178. Yes, it's a good level. Otherwise, if we collapse, we go to 100. 65.71. Nvidia. On Nvidia, we have also an N star. Okay, the N star is still valid. We also have, as you can see, this ascending wedge, and the market is going to, is the market is tired and they don't want to go upper, but with the different analysts, they think that it will go to 1,000 or something like that. We will see. It could happen, but when everybody do that and go in this direction, I prefer to go to the opposite direction. So the next level can be the moving average 50 and 200, then 474 and 407. Microsoft, what do we have? N star. The N star is still valid. We can reach the EMA 50 around 364. Okay. And the EMA 200 around 332, which is a very strong level also. And if I draw, for example, here, trend line, that one, we have a breakout here. Otherwise, let's say that we must have 3 points aligned. Let's say that. Yes, we have a breakout. The market can go lower. Next slide is Meta. Meta, we have a shark on Meta. We can reach this level, the EMA 50 around 289, 290. But first is 334. And we had, as you can see here, a wolf wave. Number one is here, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, when 5 was going to break line 1, 3, we enter short. Okay, and the target can be here. It's potentially possible. Next slide is LVMH. LVMH on the CAC 40 is very interesting. I'm going to show you. We have a fantastic bat. Then the market can go a bit lower, around 666, like the devil. Okay, it's memo technique for you and for me. So the market can reach this level. As you can see, we have a gap here. Let's check now. As if I see at a glance, I can see that this gap corresponds to, for example, 50% of this fall. But I'm going to check with you live. And as you can see, look, fantastic. Then the market can go upper. Okay, on the rise, we can reach 773. And you can see, for example, here on the C forecast, okay, the value, look, the current value, the minimum, okay, then this stock is very strong. Then it sells now, guys. So you know what to do. Now we are going to total, not interesting, PayPal. Okay, Alibaba. Let's see Alibaba. What do you have on Alibaba? On Alibaba, we have a Gartley. Then we can have a rebound, and we can reach the EMA 200 around 85.40, for example. PayPal. PayPal, we have a fantastic wolf wave. I show you right now. Okay. PayPal, we have here number 1, number 3. Okay. Number 2 is upper. Number 4 is here after 3. Okay. So look carefully. When 5 is going to reintegrate the line 1, 3, we enter long. For example, this is the candle signal. You enter at this candle here, and look what, and the stop loss is after and under the last lower. Okay, for example, here, according to your money management. So look, the potential of this trade. We had the signal here. You enter here and you do 13.15. It's very good. We can go here to this level, 65.11. Okay. Now we go on the lithium, for example. The lithium is still valid with this fantastic black swan and this fantastic wolf wave. Okay, then for me we can reach this level 7 and 10, and we still have the divergence with the ROC, okay, which is very significant and very relevant. So be careful. PLS, this is the lithium from Australia, because Australia is the first producer of lithium. And we have a gauntlet, then we can reach this level. We can have a rebound, and we can go upper on the rise, and we can make, for example, 50% Fibonacci of this movement. BTC, very interesting about BTC, and I'm going to make a transition after that with this. We go on weekly, and then look what happened. So this morning I did a publication and I gave these levels, okay, 49,200, 38,300. So as you can see, we have an ascending here triangle. So you just have to draw an arrow, for example, here, or a segment, everything we want. And after that, you report here, you duplicate here, and you can see that with the triangle, the ascending triangle, you can have this level. We can reach 73,000. Depends of the SEC, depends of the reply of the SEC. We will see. Then you can reach this level. After that, we have a bat, for example, here, which we have perfect here and a very good ratio. And after that, we can have this gauntlet here around us. Yes, it's good. It's not so bad. So on the rise, we can go, for example, first to this level, 49,200. And after that, 57,600, 62,600, and 73,100, for example. On the decline, we can reach first this level. As you can see, my gauntlet and my bat, if we want that this gauntlet and bat will be valid, we can reach first this level around 35,200 or 33,150, which converge perfectly with the EMA 50 here. We will see what happens. If the news is bad, the market is going to collapse. But if the market is good, the market is going to go on the rise. But if I have an advice, my friends, just have the mindset of Jesse Livermore, who is the best trader in the world. Just wait the wave, okay, bullish or bearish, and after that you enter on the signal, okay. Just keep ammunitions. Don't enter in the market like this because you are euphorical or something like that. No, don't do that. It's mindset. You do nothing. Doing nothing, to do nothing, it's also to trade. So do nothing, wait, the market is going to work for you, and then after that you work in the market with ammunitions and you win, okay. But of course on a signal. Second thing, very important thing, every Saturday I'm going to do around maybe, let's say, 11 in the morning or 1 o'clock in the afternoon, I'm going to make a market brief only for crypto, okay, only for crypto. And it will be a special crypto. I'm going to publish this on LinkedIn, on my LinkedIn. You can find me anywhere. Let's check it out. Here, for example. Yes, so I'm going to speak about the different crypto and altcoins. Okay. These altcoins, for example, and crypto, by Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, BNB, Solana, XRP, USDC, Cardano, Avalanche, Avax, Dogecoin, Polkadot, Tron, Polygon, Toncoin, Chainlink, Shiba Inu. Okay, the 15th first. Okay, everything is ready on my template here. Okay, everything is ready, and I am going to make for you a fantastic and memorable market brief, special crypto every Saturday. So stay tuned. It was James, the Wolf of Zurich. I hope you liked this market brief. Be safe on the market, okay? Don't forget that greed is bad, charts never lie, and trees don't go to the sky. Okay, it's very, very important. And don't forget the mindset. The mindset is very important. When the market collapses, it's an opportunity to enter in the market. When the market is too bullish and overbought, be scared. Okay, it was James, the Wolf of Zurich. Paka paka.